In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to play 2v2 in Madden 24 against friends. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna give you easy to follow instructions on how to properly set up a 2v2 lobby for you and your friends. Madden 24 offers a few ways to play 2v2 with your friends. For the first one, you have Superstar KO. This mode is designed for quick arcade-style matches. You will be able to play with your friends in either 2v2 or 3v3 formats. So all that you have to do to play with your friends is to boot up Madden 24 and then select Superstar KO from the main menu of the game. Choose the option to play with your friends, and this is going to allow you to either create or join a lobby. Once the lobby has been created, one of the options is going to be to invite your friends. So choose the option to invite them, and you will see this prompt where you will be able to browse your friends list and then invite them from there. Make sure that you choose the appropriate 2v2 mode, and as long as you invited everyone before starting, everyone will be assigned properly and you can play together. The only option that you have is going to be franchise mode, which is an online connected franchise. This isn't a dedicated 2v2 mode, but you can simulate games with your friends in an online connected franchise, so you can control your favorite players and compete against your friend's team. Keep in mind that this is more of a management focused approach and doesn't offer direct 2v2 gameplay, so I think for most people the Superstar KO option, which is the first one that I mentioned, is going to be the best. So just make sure that you go over to Superstar KO, one of you create or set up the lobby, and once this is done, you will be good to go to play together, invite them, and get the game going. You can repeat this process with as many matches as you want to do, you can switch up the teams, and it is super intuitive. I hope I was able to help you on how to play 2v2 Madden 24 against friends. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.